Ako ba mo dili? Tanan. Okay, raise your right hand. I, this is state your name, a member of the Philippine Association of Social Workers, Incorporated,
a member of the Philippine Association of Social Workers Incorporated,
hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully fulfill the duties of my membership
that I will faithfully fulfill the duties of my membership
through my active participation
through my active participation
and contribute to the best of my ability
and contribute to the best of my ability
to advance the social work profession,
to advance the social work profession,
uphold the Constitution and values,
uphold the Constitution and values,
and the Code of Ethics,
and the Code of Ethics,
and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily
and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily,
without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations and welcome to PASMI. Dagan kayo, salamat. You may have a seat now. Okay, pilihan na siya, sabi na ko, mag-uot lang.